Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. This video is going to be on how to add your associate discount when shopping on Walmart.com. So let's get started. The first thing you need to be on is Walmart.com. Next step is you see these three little lines here on the left. You're going to click on that. You're going to scroll all the way down to where it says Help. You're going to click on Help. Next step, right where it says search the Walmart.com Help Center, you're going to click on that and you're going to type associate discount. And you're going to click search or hit enter. Alright. You see here on number 1 it says get your associate discount. You will click on that. And then right under where it says get your Walmart associate discount, you're going to click right under that. It says get your associate discount here. Little hyperlink, you're going to click on that. And it's going to send you to the associate discount registration. It's going to ask you for your WIN number and your associate card number. You will click submit and then you'll be able to get your discount while shopping on Walmart.com. If this video has helped you out, please subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.